Good morning. So today I'm going to be going to LA. It's raining a lot right now, so I'm going to be taking a coat, an umbrella with me. I'm going to be driving out to LA. It should be about an hour away, but let's see. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff for my Etsy today, so I want to add some more necklaces that I need to stock up on. And then also I'm in the process of designing some rings. So today is actually going to be a day that takes a little bit longer in the process for my Etsy. Usually in 2 hours or so I'll be done, but because of the design and everything that I want to do, it's gonna take a couple of hours. I'm guessing 6 hours maybe tops. So I'm gonna head out, drive out there, do that, and maybe I'll get a couple clips of me downtown walking around or something. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I got back from LA today around, I want to say around 4 p.m. I had a quick snack and I sat down, did a lot of work, but as you can see, my room is an absolute disaster. During the week, it gets pretty hectic for me. Yesterday was my Friday off from work, but I had a lot of errands to run. I came, I did some laundry, but I didn't put it away. I started to this morning, but then I got, paperwork and stuff. I got some nail polish stuff, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this stuff away, and it's just gonna be a quick little clip of me just kind of doing my little cleaning around here. I'm actually gonna change out of this because I've been in this clothes all day. I'll get something comfy on before I get in the shower later, so I'm just gonna put some music on. I'm actually gonna be watching NCIS on my TV while I clean up, and I'll just speed this up for you guys to watch, right? The majority of everything's put away. I have some things that I need to put away at some other point in time, just because it is 11 p.m. right now, and I'm gonna go to bed pretty soon. But down here I have this pile of paperwork on top of this box. I need to actually sort through that and shred whatever I don't need. So that's going to take a good amount of time at some point, so I need to sit down and actually do that. Tomorrow I'll do some more laundry. This is closet number 1. The other closet back there is closet number 2. Right here I have a bag with clothing that I bought. I'll be doing a video on that. These things I need to put away in the hallway linen closet. That's a bag of trash. So I'm just going to light a couple of candles here, right there. I'm going to shower at some point, relax a little bit. I'll probably go through some social media, and I'll call it a night. Tomorrow morning I have a couple of things that I need to do, so I'm going to go ahead and just end the video here for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Hey y'all, so it's Sunday. Today I'm going to be doing a couple of errands this morning. In the meantime, I'm going to be getting ready. It's 7:30 and I need to leave by 8 to an liver ultrasound appointment. I had some lab work done and it came back a little bit wonky, so they just want to make sure there's nothing wrong. I know it's a Sunday and that's a weird time to get an ultrasound, but I actually prefer it because I don't have to take time out of my week. But I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'll be going to Temecula for a little meeting with the marketing director of a wine company. So for my class, one of my marketing classes, we have to do a project, and we chose a wine company down there. So today we're going to be doing that as a group. There's 5 of us, and then for the rest of the time we're just going to be working on our group project. It's actually due tomorrow. We're going to do a presentation tomorrow in class, so we want to make sure we get everything done today as a group together, because in the master's program it's kind of difficult to allot time for everyone to get together. So, you know, today is just the day we had to do it because it's due tomorrow. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and get dressed really quick. I'll head down to the ultrasound. I'm actually starving because it's probably all in my head that I can't eat. I have to be fasting for this. So usually I don't eat until, 9 or 10 sometimes. So it's all in my head, but I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, so I've just grabbed a couple things. It looks like it might rain again today, so I'm just going to take a coat with me, my umbrella. I really am not taking much because I'm hoping this ultrasound is really quick so that I can come back and change before heading down to Temecula. I'd like to look a little bit more put together. And in that time, I hope my hair air dries a little bit more as well. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have some breakfast. I have my avocado toast here with egg. And what I'm gonna be doing is eating this. I have the laundry going, but I paused it because it's too loud. So I'm gonna eat this. I'll change. I'll do something with my hair. And then I'm gonna drive down to Temecula, so I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so I am gonna head down to Temecula now. I'm going to drive out there, meet up with my classmates for this group project. I'm wearing this. I'm gonna pull it up so it's not off the shoulder while I'm in the meeting with them, so that it doesn't look too disrespectful or anything. And then afterwards, I'll try and get some pictures with my necklaces on here. I have a couple of them layered, and I'll link that down below as well. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm finally back from Temecula. It's 10:50 right now. We spent a couple of hours as a group working on our project. We went to the South Coast Winery Resort and Spa and took a little tour. We had a little lunch meeting with the managing director, and for a couple of hours after that we worked on our project. I didn't get everything done that I wanted to today, but at least we got our marketing project done, so that tomorrow all we really need to do is practice all the slides and go through everything so that we have our parts down, and hopefully it all works out good. But yeah, I'm going to be inserting clips, or I probably already did insert clips of, you know, walking around the vineyard and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Good night.